I've often thought about taking a whole year off, just to go fishing. And now I'm really going to do it. Join me and a few of my friends as I travel the back roads in search of America's finest fly fishing destinations. The first non-Native Americans to see southern Montana were probably members of the famous Lewis and Clark expedition, who arrived in the area in 1805. They were looking for a passage to the Pacific coast, but the mountains that surround the extensive valley proved to be too difficult to cross. This is trout fishing country, some of the finest on earth. The Ruby, the Madison, the Big Hole, the Beaverhead, all lie within a short distance of each other in this majestic Montana landscape. Those who have donned waders to test their skills on these western rivers range from presidents to poets, from actors to artists. I made my way to the town of Dillon, Montana, located in the heart of the Beaverhead Valley. On arrival, I caught up with John Sampson, an avid angler and respected guide at the Ruby Springs Lodge. John has fished the Beaverhead River more than a few times and offered to share some of his knowledge with me on my first time out. The Beaverhead was named by Lewis and Clark for its likeness to a huge rock formation at the end of the valley.
I'm going crazy now. I'm itching to do it. Watching these guys fish is making me nuts.
Let's go get him. Beautiful day.
I know it. My first time on the Beaverhead.
All right. Let's make it a good one.
A good one was a serious understatement for the day we were about to have. I was anxious to get started. I quickly tied on a pheasant-tail nymph and threw my first cast. Within minutes, I found myself in a battle with a monster brown trout.
But you're gonna go the other way, fish. Nice fish.
That's a nice brown. Yeah, it's a nice brown, Sharon.
You're not
Good
kidding.
way to start the day.
You are not kidding. Jeez,
Pig.
look at that.
It's a pig.
What a start. You know what happens now? I expect that the rest of the day.
That is a pig.
What up? Doesn't like you at all.
Yeah, let him go. That's it.
Doesn't like you at all. Here you go, here you go. Nice!
Oh, that's a pig.
Woo!
Right here.
3 minutes in the day.
Hold that and I'll go across the creek.
3 minutes into the day.
That's a gorgeous brown.
Oh, God, what do you think that thing weighs?
Oh, I don't know. 3 pounds, something like that.
It's fat,
just
man.
Beautiful.
This is serious fat fish.
Just beautiful.
Look at the colors.
Probably a solid 20 inches, though. It's just a heavy trout, 19 or 20.
Oh, jeez. This is bad now. Well, he needs to go home, doesn't he?
Yeah, let's send him home. Let's walk him out in the current a little bit and get him some nice oxygen in his gills before we put him back.
Oh my God. I'm a Beaverhead man from now on. I'll never fish another river. I think he's got it. Oh, gee whiz.
What a pig.
Look at him. Oh, jeez.
Nice work.
If this is what it's all about, sign me up.
Now my heart was pounding. We headed down the river in anticipation of the next big strike.
There we are.
Whoo! Whoa, boy, don't attack me. Jeez, man. I'm in love. I'm in love with the Beaverhead.
Strong fish.
Yeah. He's pulling us upstream now. Might be coming up. Oh. Sorry.
That's all right.
He's got to be right
Still
there.
with us.
There he is. No, I got him. I got him. Yeah! Here you go. I'll get that. You want to pull us over?
Whoa, that is a huge fish. Did you see that fish take line upstream like that?
It's like he was pulling our boat
It was
upstream.
a freight train.
God.
And I didn't realize how big he was till he got right to the boat.
You know, the fly popped out right when we net him, so I don't know which fly he took, but look at that hole.
That is just a trophy rainbow.
Oh, God.
Beautiful fish, Chad.
Oh, man. What kind of day are we having?
Take that out of there and you can ease him back into the current.
What kind of day are we having? Whoa!
Just see if you can turn around a little and hold his nose upstream and give him a drink of water before we send him home.
You can go back. Oh, my God. Look at that guy. It's just, you know what he's doing?
Just hold him there.
Waiting for the next nymph.
Yeah, right.
This is just one of those days, isn't it?
It's just one of those days.
The Beaverhead was living up to its billing as home to some of the largest trout in Montana.
This is my new home, the Beaverhead River. You know how golf pros play out of a certain club?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fish out of the Beaverhead River.
It's your home course,
Yeah.
Yeah, and see that it's just a little bay there. So try and get it at the top end of it. And just make it come.
John's intimate knowledge of the river made all the difference when it came to finding the big fish. At midday, the wind picked up and the rain started to fall. So John decided to pull over at one of his favorite spots. The weather took a turn for the worse,
Excellent.
but luckily, it didn't seem to bother the fish.
That'd be just the most beautiful tank in the world, wouldn't it?
Yep. Yep.
Nice brown. Yeah, let him, if he wants to go up in there, you just keep letting him
I thought he was
wrap
gonna
in
wrap
there.
around there.
Yeah, but once he gets down below here, we're gonna
in
have
trouble.
to chase him. Yeah, but we can probably land him right up in here.
Nice job. How about that 100-yard dash?
I didn't want to go all the way
I
downstream
know, but I didn't
again.
know if you were gonna hit a hole or what.
God, look at the big hook jaw on him.
Golly.
He's an older fish. He's a little bit skinnier, but great big hook jaw on him.
The clouds moved out as quickly as they had come in, and John wasted no time hooking up on a number 20 hare's ear.
That weather sure did get nice in a hurry.
What a sweet hole.
Little guy.
Would you like me to get the net?
No, I think we can handle this guy.
I think you're handling this guy.
Pretty spots on him though. Look at that.
Oh, God, look at him against that sun.
Yeah.
Pick the bottom.
Bartlett's hook comes right out. Away it goes.
Nicely done.
At John's suggestion, we moved downriver a couple hundred yards, where he proceeded to catch one on his first darn cast.
I think that was your first cast, wasn't it? Not bad. Not bad. Can we get up ahead of
Strong
you?
as hell. That's okay. I can bring him back to you, I think.
put me to work here, man.
Okay.
Put me to work.
My God.
Whoa! Oh, better put me to
Hold
work
on, let me
again.
get a little bit more line up on him here.
Ready? Oh no, I can't stretch that far. Whoa! All right.
Bullseye.
Good job. A little rambunctious, isn't he?
Yeah, he got big air on that first leap.
Hey, look at that red.
Beautiful.
First cast, not bad.
Not bad.
You're making it look kind of easy though. All right.
Let's get another one.
Let's put this guy back and let him go home.
Before we moved on, I decided to give this hole one last try. And I'm glad I did.
Stay with me here, Brownie. Nice one, huh? Yeah. Thank you. That was my last cast. I was figuring I was going to go somewhere else.
Good looking trout.
Oh boy,
Isn't that pretty?
that's such a great feeling. Such a great feeling. Back to his house.
To fight another day. Good work, Chad.
Thanks for coming around.
Yeah.
I really was getting ready to call it a day at this spot.
As I messed around tying on flies, John continued to pull in the trout.
Ah, it was a fish.
Oh, beaut! Beaut, beaut.
Couldn't tell there for a second.
All right, bud.
Pretty trout.
Yep.
Got him.
Yeah. That red is just so vivid,
Yeah, it's brilliant.
isn't it?
For Montana's statewide vacation planning kit, call Travel Montana at 1-800-548-3390.
More trophy-sized trout are caught on the Beaverhead than on any other stream in Montana, probably due to the fact that there are 60 miles of fishable water on this great river.
I've got 2 pieces of shot on, and I'll try it a few times in there, and then I may go to 3, which is what you got yours on.
Yeah. I'm sure there are more fish in there.
It's that stack mending, you know?
Yeah.
You're actually roll casting line on top of the
Immediately.
indicator, yeah, and then trying to keep your line up and out of the current at the same time.
Some guides are great teachers, and some are great anglers. I fished the Beaverhead with a guide who was both.
Beaut, beaut, beaut. Nice job.
Well, he was hungry. We just
Oh,
saw
God.
him nymphing in there, and first cast in, he took.
Can I step right in here?
Sure.
Let me
Yeah,
up.
absolutely. Big fish. Just hold on, Chad. Be real patient here. It's big.
Yeah. Plenty of fish, that's for sure.
So come to me, baby.
God, that's oh,
Big
beautiful
brown,
brown.
big brown.
Whoa. Hang on, Coach.
Almost there, Chad. Okay, ready? Here he comes up. Got him. Gorgeous trout.
Nice. Ready to go home? Good fish.
Thank you, Chad.
Wading access to the Beaverhead can sometimes be difficult. I had my best luck fishing from the boat.
We're gonna pull over on this gravel bar here.
Okay, that's right where he is. He might be going down the right side.
Try and make him so he doesn't. There you go.
There he is. All right. Can you see him? Yes! Look at the size of these fish!
Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, God.
What do you
That
take?
cut
Took
across
the lower
there.
fly.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fat trout.
That's got to rank up there with one of the best days of fishing I've ever had.
It was a really enjoyable day on the water.
God. This is the kind of place I could hang out for about a week and
Yeah.
never go anywhere else.
Yeah. A lot of nice browns, a lot of nice rainbows today. Great weather.
Did you think you were going to be a guide when you were a kid?
I knew I was going to be a guide when I was a kid. That's what I've always wanted to do ever since we started. My dad and I started taking a guide on the Skagit River years ago.
Well, you picked the right profession. You knew the river as well as I've seen anybody know the river. It was great.
Oh, thanks.
Appreciate you taking me down.
No problem. Look forward to having you come back. We'll do
You
it again
can book
someday.
it, I'll be back.
All right.
Anchor out?
Yep.
The Beaverhead is a remarkable river, and my day on the water with John Sampson was one of the most enjoyable fishing experiences I can remember. But once again, it was time for me to hit the road. Not far from the Beaverhead are the abandoned mining towns of Virginia City and Nevada City. In 1863, news of a gold strike in this area spread like wildfire. Within a year, several thousand prospectors, overcome with gold fever, crowded into makeshift camps along Alder Gulch. The most enduring of these overnight mining camps was Virginia City, which mushroomed into a hub of 10,000 residents. Nevada City and Virginia City were linked by rail, both filled with saloons, dancing girls, and more than a few gunfights. Fortunately, many of the old buildings have been preserved, so visitors can wander around these Montana ghost towns and witness a piece of history. For more information on fishing the Beaverhead River, call Ruby Springs Lodge at 800-278-7829.